how to buy PERSAI, the Persona token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check the Rex account, as you can see, and keep following their updates about this token. So this token, as you can see, it's available on the explainer. If you don't have an account on it, just go and create one. Now this token has the liquidity locked by 100%. That means your investment in the safe place. This token is under Solana network. Now to be able to buy, just click here to copy the token address. Now the best choice to buy this kind of tokens that came under Solana network, it's by using the Phantom wallet. Now open your Phantom wallet, log into your accounts like that, and after that click on swap. And now make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet, and after that click on it, click on here and paste the token address, as you can see. So this is our token, just click on it. Now type here how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds. As you can see, this is how much you receive with the token. Now from here, just select the provider that you are good with. For example, if you want OKX, and make sure you read all of that information here. Now after that, click on swap, and you will be redirected to OKX provider page, and complete the buy process. If you find any issue, now go back to this page and switch the slip hash from here or custom it. Now after that, you will buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy the PERSAI Persona token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.